how to get AirFrance Sky Priority. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can get AirFrance Sky Priority. So first of all, I must inform you that to get AirFrance Sky Priority, you have to fulfill or meet some requirements. This is because Sky Priority is reserved, all right? It's reserved for some set of people. First of all, it is reserved for the Sky Team Elite Plus members. So to know if you're an Elite member, just move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon, click on my profile, and then you'll be taken to your profiles page. On this page, you would see your dashboard, you would see your flying blue number, and this is it. And from this number, it is obvious that for me, I am not a plus member. I'm not an Elite Plus member. But for you, check it out if you're an Elite Plus member. And then the next step is the next set of people that the Sky Priority is reserved for are passengers in the La Premiere, business, and premium economy cabins. All right. So if you want to have access or to get the Sky Priority, um have access to Sky Priority on Air France and you're not a Sky Team Elite Plus member, just ensure that while you are booking a trip, let's go down, booking a flight, ensure you select um premium economy, business, or La Premiere cabin option. Do not select economy, if not you will not have access to Sky Priority. Another thing are Sky Priority are for passengers traveling with a flex ticket on flights between France and Europe or North Africa. All right, and also with passengers with a ticket issued as a discount pass order fare. So just check out this requirement and check out the one you belong to, and then from there you would know if you can have access to Sky Priority or not. So that is it. This is how you can get Air France Sky Priority. Very, very simple. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.